Lego-Playdoh-Mation. It's actually actually instead of using clay, I used Play-Doh. So
You might want to
Lipster GS.
Lipster
Lipster.
Kind of looks like a.
And what is it about?
It's about that. Oh, this is the Lipster GS.
You haven't seen? He's showing you what it is.
Oh, okay.
All right, pass it around.
Give it held steady.
Take it
Watch the
away.
movie that Sam
Okay,
made.
no screen.
Wait a minute, he's still talking. Are you done?
What?
Are you done?
Yeah.
Now, something happened while we did the filming, and it got stuck on one frame for 30 seconds, so I had to cut that part out and make it to a two-part video. So, we had a part where the two Lego guys were throwing Play-Doh snowballs at each other, and we lost him. And it took a lot of, he was doing like 3 still shots per second. 2 to 3 still shots. And it's like 2 minutes and 30 minutes. 2 minutes, 30 seconds long. But now it got cut really short because we lost that piece. So we'll just watch what he has. I'll have to play 2 different things. And I have to mute it because it goes click, 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 click. Back up some. Can you see it?
I love playing with snowballs.
Oh, we're in a different perspective now.
Okay. That was part 1. Can't find my mouse.
Hey Sam, look at that. I traded you.
So what's the yellow stuff, Sam? Is it like magic stuff?
Is it like snow?
He's
Is it supposed to
asking
be snow?
Sam. Uncle Brian's asking.
It's Play-Doh.
Well, I mean, what is it supposed to be in your film?
Snow.
Is it snow?
Play-Doh?
Is it snow or it turns into a seesaw there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it just magic blob?
Magic snow.
Magic snow.
Yellow snow.
Yes.
Sorry, I'm not noticing anything while here. I'm still getting used to my computer. Okay, here's part 2. This is what happened after we cut the piece out.
Probably a lot longer.
No.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh! Oh!
What is that?
It must be on ski.
Yeah.
Well, that's how we can make it stand up without falling over. It has to be on a piece.
Oh, no!
That was my train.
That was the Lego train you brought, Legoland, yeah.
You gotta take a lot of pictures to do that, right?
Yeah.
Good job.
Good job.